Hello guys, welcome to the third tutorial of PostgreSql. Today I will teach you how to create, select and delete a database in PostgreSql. So this could be achieved in two ways. First of all, it could be done in the SQL shell, and the second is that we could use pgadmin, that is the graphical interface of PostgreSql, to achieve that. So I will do it in both the methods. So first of all, I will show it to you how to do it in SQL shell. So first of all, you need to open your SQL shell for that, and you need to log in with the password that you created. So I have been successfully logged in. Now I will create a database, that is create database test. So we could see that it has been created, and see, we get the success message, that is create database. So it has been successfully created. Now we will see all the databases that are in our system or in the schema. So you could do that by /l. L means the list of all the databases that are available. Press enter and you see all the databases that exist. That is Postgres, that is the default database, and the test database that we created right now. You could see it here. Next we would be selecting the test database. So to select the test database, we would be using the command \c, that is C means to connect, and connect to test. So here we go, and we see the message, you are now connected to database test as user Postgres. So we have successfully connected to this database. Now you can see that we get test here. So this is that we know that we are connected to test now. So now we will be dropping this database. So in order to do that, we should connect to some other database and then try to drop this database. So you could connect to Postgres, that is the default database here. Again, that is /c Postgres. So you see now we are connected to database Postgres again, and now we could drop our test database. So this can be done by drop database test, and you see we get the confirmation message, that is drop database. Now if you do /l again, that is the list of all the databases available, you would see that it has gone, and you could see that the test database has been removed. So this has been done, and now you could disconnect to this database by /q, that is disconnect all the databases. So this is done, and if you press enter, you would exit the shell. This means you have disconnected all the databases, so it goes away. Now coming to the second method, that is the pgadmin, the graphical method. So you could just connect to this database first, that is the local host, connect it here, put the password. Now here, as you could see, we have one database, that is the default database, that is Postgres, that we saw in the shell. We could add a database by clicking on new database here. Just enter your name as test and click on OK, and you will see that this database is created now. And see, this database has been created, test, and it has done. Now you don't need to connect to that because you have already connected to this database. And now to delete this, you could just simply do delete and drop, and yes, and it has been dropped. So this was all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe for more and stay tuned to the next tutorial.